Chapter 4, Creating Professional Presentations and Presenting Presentation in OpenOffice Impress. So in this chapter, we'll learn to create professional presentations and we'll also learn to present presentation. The first point we have this slideshow. So what is slideshow? The way of presenting the slides in a presentation one after another, or you can say presentation of slides one after another to the audience in full screen mode is called slideshow. So when the presentation is presented to the audience in full screen mode where slides appear one after another is called slideshow. And the steps to open the presentation in slideshow is just click on slideshow option on the menu bar and select slideshow. Or there is another way, just click on slideshow option on menu bar. You will find your presentation is start presenting. Let's look at this image. Image 1 is showing on slideshow menu. Click on slideshow, you will find slideshow option there, and the shortcut key to present your presentation in slideshow, that is F5. The second image is showing, just go to view option in menu bar and then a drop down will appear and you will find there slideshow option. Just click on that to present your slide. Or we have another option, just to navigate in a presentation, means moving one slide to another, we can use arrow keys or mouse click. Arrow keys, we have four arrow keys we have on our keyboard: down arrow key, right arrow key, up arrow key and left arrow key. To move to the next slide, we can use down arrow key or right arrow key, and to move back to the previous slide, we can use up arrow key or left arrow key. And escape key is also there. For coming back to the normal screen mode, or you can say just exit to slideshow, we can use escape key. To exit or to end the presentation, we use escape key. Next we have hide slide. So why we need hide slide? In case you don't want to share one slide to the audience, then we have option to hiding the slide. Hiding slides is an option to hide a particular slide during slideshow. And the steps to hide current slide are, just click on the slide to hide and then click on the slide show in menu bar and then select on hide slide. Just look at this image, you will find, just go to the slideshow option from menu bar and then drop down will appear. From there you can select hide slide. And the second image you can see, just select the slide first and right click on the slide to hide. A drop down menu will appear. Just by right clicking on the slide, you will find there is a drop down appear and there is option to hide slide. Click on that to hide slide from your presentation. Next we have inserting fields in a slide. So to make our presentation more professional, we can insert various fields in our slide. In this chapter we are learning to make our presentation more professional. So for that we need to insert some field, and these fields can be header and footer, slide number, date and time. So we'll learn to insert this field into our slide one by one. So how to insert header and footer? First you should know what is header and what is footer. So header, the text appear on the top of each slide. On the top of each slide, header is appear. And footer, the text appears on the bottom of each slide. The text appears on the bottom of each slide is called footer. So steps to insert header and footer are, just click on view menu and select header and footer option. So header and footer dialog box will appear. and then you need to select the header and footer checkbox to insert desired text, whatever you want to insert in the header and footer of your slide. And after that, click on apply, or you can just click on apply to all slide. In the first image, you can see to insert header and footer in your slide, just you need to go to the view menu, and then from drop down you need to select the header and footer. After that, a header and footer dialog box will appear. From this, just check the header footers checkbox and then write the desired text there and click on apply or apply to all. Next, we have how to insert date and time into our slide. So we can insert date and time also into our slide. The steps to insert date and time is, just click on insert on menu bar. From there, go to fields. A drop down menu will appear, and in this drop down you will find date and time is there. Just select desired field to insert date and time. When you go to the insert menu bar, you will find there is a field option, and when you click on field option, you will find there are date fixed, date variable, time fixed, time variable, author, page number, page count, file name. These are the fields you will find there, and from there just click on date and time and insert the date and time into your slide. Next figure is showing the different option we have how to insert date and time into slide. Just go to the, like we insert header and footer into our slide, you can add date and time from there also. Just go to insert header and footer field. For that, we need to click on view menu first and select header and footer option. The header and footer dialog box will appear. In this dialog box, you can find there date and time is also there. Just click on that, fixed and variable, whatever date and time you want to choose, and then click apply to all. So these two options are there to insert date and time into our slide. Next, we have how to insert slide number. So if you want to insert slide number also into your slide, so some steps you have to follow. Steps to insert slide number is, click on view menu and select header and footer option. Just like we insert header and footer and date and time, we can insert slide number from their dialog box also. So just click on view menu, go to header and footer. It will open the header and footer dialog box, and after that select the slide number checkbox. This time you need to select the slide number checkbox and then click on apply and apply to all. So just look at this picture. We need to go to the view on menu bar and select header and footer. Header and footer window dialog box will appear, and this time just click on slide number checkbox, and after that click on apply. In this way, you can insert the slide number into your slide in presentation.